Great. So it is a great initiative for the hybrid cloud data center, and where a lot of big players are coming, like Retal and MIS. So those people, they create a very good output, and from there we are able to see how this the new hybrid industry is going on, and this Exito create a good impact on that. And today I came to know with a lot of new technology which is coming on the data center, private cloud, and all this stuff. I'm really thankful to Exito. So the emerging trends are in the hybrid cloud is basically security part. So security is booming a lot in hybrid cloud, which is zero trust environment. And that's what we discuss over here, and it is an amazing experience. So here the panel discussion is amazing, and there are a lot of different strategies of hybrid cloud which has been discussed over here in Exito platform, and I created a lot of connections, and it will be great to come over here.